here, polite.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. First of all, hit the subscribe button. We'd love for you to stick around and go on this nail journey with us. Don't forget to turn your notifications on so your nosy ass doesn't miss anything. Like this video because I spent a lot of time making this shit and I'm about to give you some of the juicy details. Got some new acrylics from Tones products, some cover powders, and some colored acrylics. I did swatch videos for the colored acrylics, so if you did miss that, go ahead and check those videos out after you watch this video, of course. They are so beautiful, you guys. I couldn't wait to do a set with them. In this video, as you saw, I am using their Cover Almond cover powder, which is probably my new favorite acrylic, and I'm also using their Pour the Wine colored acrylic, which is a beautiful deep wine color, perfect for the fall and the winter. And by the way, you guys, Tones Products is having a major giveaway, probably one of the coolest giveaways I've ever heard of in my life. It's where you place an order on their website in the month of October and you could win a golden ticket worth $100 for you to go on a little shopping spree on the Tones Products website. And they actually randomly choose the winner out of the orders that have been placed for the day. So basically they're picking a daily winner and you can win any day in October. So you could literally place an order every day and you have a chance to win the golden ticket every single day. They place it in the box with your order and it ships out with your order. So when you place an order in the month of October and you receive it, make sure that you're looking in your box for this golden ticket. And you're still able to use a affiliate code and be eligible to win this golden ticket. So make sure when you're checking out on Tones Products website, you're using my affiliate code CHLOCHLO to save 10% off of your order. And Tones Products doesn't just sell acrylic. They also have monomer, they have gel polishes, they have like the sequins, they have just a whole bunch of stuff that you can use for nail art. I mean, they pretty much have everything that you need. So definitely head over to the Tones Products website to check them out. And like I said, every day is a new chance to win. They're selecting a winner every single day. It doesn't matter how big or how small your order is. You can order just a single gel polish and still be eligible to win a golden ticket. Anyway, enough about that. How have you guys been? I've really been enjoying getting to know you guys and connecting with you guys. I'm really loving the supportive community that we are building here. It truly makes my heart smile in the brightest way and honestly gives me a sense of purpose. I really feel like I have found where I'm supposed to be, right here with you guys. I'm so deeply appreciative for every single one of you, every single one of you. I really wish I could truly convey how you guys really keep me going. I cannot thank you enough. So guys, anyway, in this video, we are doing a press-on set. This press-on set is for myself. And it is for my non-dominant hand. I am so... Look, I'll just be honest. I was a little over the struggle bus with trying to do my right hand with my left hand. As you know, I am right-handed, so it is so hard to do your nails and do them to make them look nice with your non-dominant hand. Like, it's crazy. And it takes forever. So I decided, you know what? Let me try to do a press-on set. I wanted to do something for Halloween anyway, and I wasn't trying to do any Halloween designs with my left hand because I knew that was just going to turn out terrible. I'm faster if I'm doing it with my right hand because obviously it's my dominant hand. And then all I have to do is glue them bitches on and I'm good to go. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm doing my base for the set that you saw at the beginning in the intro. Now, unfortunately, I didn't get to record the design because I didn't have enough space on my phone. I record everything on my phone, and as you guys know, I had to get me a new phone because my other phone, the screen just went black and it never came back on. It actually did come back on for like maybe a month, but now it's like the black screen of death again and it's just not working. So I'm glad I got me a new phone. But the downside to these new phones is they don't have an SD port. So I'm limited to the storage capacity that is already on the phone, like the base storage capacity. Now I do have an SD card and I went and got a little device where I'm able to plug in an SD card in the charging port. But sometimes like it doesn't work right and I have to continuously restart my phone. It's kind of a pain in the ass, I'm not gonna lie. But it is a great workaround to where I can save footage to where I don't have to just continuously lose footage and I can put it on the SD card that I have, which is 1 terabyte. And that's a lot, but the thing is recording in as high of HD that I record in, I think I either record in 4K or it's almost to 4K. It takes up a lot of space. I mean, like a short little 10-minute video is a couple gigs. So really I can only keep, like a few, maybe like 2 or 3 YouTube video recordings at a time. But I also do a lot of recording for other projects. Like I do swatch videos and I do other videos that are related to my TikTok affiliate program. So I run out of storage very, very quickly. And I do have a computer. I have a MacBook Pro, but it is so old, you guys. I mean, like this MacBook Pro is a 2010 MacBook Pro. It is old. I can't even watch, I can't even stream anything on my MacBook Pro. I can't stream like Peacock. I can't stream Discover, like none of it. I can't stream anything. I can't even put the CapCut that I use. I can't even put the CapCut desktop on that computer because it is so old. So eventually, you know, when I can afford it, I will invest in a new computer and of course like a official recording camera so I don't have to keep doing everything on my phone. I know it will come. It will come. So right now I'm doing workarounds and I run out of storage a lot, unfortunately, and I'm trying to keep up and, you know, maintain my responsibilities. But as of right now, I was only able to record this base, the process of doing the base, which I still think is great for everyone to see because you can still see what I'm doing in terms of application. You know, you can still see my process and, you know, how I'm laying the acrylic, which I think is very important for learning. It's how I learned. As you guys know, I taught myself how to do acrylic, and I honestly started from watching videos on YouTube. Now in the future, coming soon actually, I want to do more detailed videos, like real-time, very detailed application videos that's, you know, just showing you, you know, how to pick up a bead, laying the bead, you know, the process of moving the acrylic around on the nail. I think all of these things are important, and, you know, there were some things that I think that, you know, I had to learn on my own when I was learning how to do application. You know, I learned through trial and error that I want to bring to you guys so you guys don't have to go through that trial and error. When I went to beauty school, they took acrylic nails out of the curriculum, so we didn't get to work on acrylic nails. They took it out of the curriculum because the smell of monomer was so controversial at the time. We were told that, you know, like clients who were coming in to get their hair done were complaining about the smell of like the acrylic in the salon, and so, you know, and not just like at my school, but really across the board, you know, it had got to the board's attention that, you know, hey, you know, maybe acrylic nails in the, you know, cosmetology curriculum may be a problem. So they put that on hold to where we only got to learn gel nails. And for real, if I'm being honest, like really none of the teachers knew how to use builder gel. Like really knew how to use builder gel. I should go back into my Google Photos and see if I can find these pictures from beauty school, because I'm telling you, y'all, like, first of all, we were looking at each other like, how come we don't have any kind of retention with this gel? And then, like, I don't know, just like when we were learning it, they had like one student teacher teaching us gel nails because he was like the only one who had like experience using gel, and he was like real honest with us, like, yeah, like I've seen how builder gel and how to use like gel, how that works, but like I've never really had like hands-on experience with this, so I'm going to do my best to show you guys. And that was really the problem. He did his best, but like, really, girl, man, if we had to do a practical in nails to pass, we all would have failed. So I say all that to say, we didn't learn shit about acrylic when I went to cosmetology school. So literally everything that I have learned in the past year, I've learned on my own, watching YouTube videos, doing the research online, things like that. So I do want to help bridge the gap in the learning process for you guys at home, you know, trying to learn how to do nails on your own. I do want to help you guys with that while you're at it. And honestly, this is no knock to cosmetology school, because I do feel like it is important for you to be licensed, you know, whether you only go and get your nail tech license or certificate, or you go fully and get your cosmetology certificate and license. But, you know, the school is really only going to teach you how to pass the test. Expect that. You know, that's really what it's for. It's to teach you the basics and, you know, get you prepared to take your state boards and get your license. Everything else, all of the detailed work with it, and, you know, how to manage clients and how to do designs and all of that, those are things that you're going to have to learn on your own through experience. Again, this is no knock, because, you know, I too thought that I was the hottest thing coming out the press when I went to cosmetology school, and I knew everything that I needed to know. Well, actually, I didn't think that. I knew I needed, you know, additional training, and I wanted that additional training, which is why I selected the salon that I selected, you know, after I went to cosmetology school, because they deeply train you, and I did want that training. But you need that training. You know, a lot of people think that, you know, they're going to go to cosmetology school, they're going to get their license, and then they're going to just open up a salon. If you've never had that experience before, if you don't have experience managing clients, managing a book, managing money, managing a business, then going straight from beauty school to being, you know, a full-blown business, that is one huge leap. One huge leap. I'm telling you, because I've owned 2 salons. It is a huge leap to go from just graduating cosmetology school to owning a full-blown business and salon. But yeah, I've managed and mentored a lot of girls who are like disappointed with cosmetology school because they thought that they would learn more. And you know, I went to cosmetology school when I was a lot older. You know, I had been through college and I was set in a career. You know, I was in the IT field for like 6 years before I, you know, went back to beauty school. So I had worked for corporate America, and I've seen things and experienced things, and I've been to college, you know, to know well enough that, you know, the schools are there to, you know, get you a piece of paper. You know, they're not there to, I mean, they will equip you, you know, but you know, there's a lot of things that you learn by way of just experiencing. When I was a cosmetologist, I was a corrective color specialist. And, you know, that is not something that you can teach even in a year, you know, going to beauty school with everything else that they have to teach. You know, there's so many things that you have to, that there are, you know, more in-depth things within each sector of the beauty industry where, you know, you gain that knowledge by experience. So really, I say all that to say is don't be discouraged. Give yourself grace. It takes time. Keep learning and improving. One of the greatest quotes that I was ever told was by my English teacher when I was in the 12th grade. She said, you can do anything with the right training. Anyway, we're wrapping up this set. This is the last few nails. I'm just capping everything off with some of Chaun's products glass, which is their clear acrylic. I love their clear acrylic. Oh my goodness. First of all, it doesn't take a million years for it to polymerize, and it's very clear. Anyway, so to finish up this set, I did 2 3D snakes. Well, I did a snake head and then a black 3D snake, which I thought turned out really cool. Very, very pleasantly surprised how they turned out. If you wanted a tutorial on those, just let me know down in the comments and I'll do an individual tutorial on how I did those, snake head and the actual snake. Of course, I did a 3D flower nail because I love me some acrylic 3D flowers. And yeah, guys, I just really love how this set turned out. It's one of my favorite sets. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.